are comparing the Dewalt upgradable lithium max batteries, 20 amp, 4 amp, fix size, stock. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending me these pairs. I'm really quite excited to use them. Once again, they fit really well in any of the tools. I'm excited to use this monster one on my leaf blower because we can use this one, the 6 amp one, which feels heavier than this one actually. We can use it for an hour or so with our leaf blower. I'm hoping that'll go even longer because that's the tool that I have that uses the most power. And as you can see, I love the yellow tools. I've had this one a very long time, even long enough that this battery doesn't have the power lights on it. This one does. It has 3 lights on it, whereas in comparison this one has 4 lights on it to show you the different power levels, to give you an idea of what's in the battery and how long you have left with them. I want to show you the size. This is 3.5 to the top, and it's the standard 4 3/4. This battery is 4.5. It's just a tiny bit bigger. This one is 1 3/4 to the top of that. The 15 amp is 3 inches right to the top. The 4 amp is 1 3/4. So these two are essentially the exact same footprint, but like I said, this is a 4 amp, this is a 1.5 amp. So super excited about these two. Okay, we want to compare these replacement batteries for this Dewalt. I just got these 20 volt max 15 amp. These things are large, but they're not that heavy. It weighs less than this one, which is a 6 amp. I also compare it to this. So these two are the same brand. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to me. I'm doing some serious comparing here. Show you, this is a 1.5 amp that came from the factory with my drills. And you can see they don't even have the lights on them. These, the 4 amp, have lights on them. This one, the more expensive one, has lights on them right out of the gate. This has got 4. I've charged it. This one came from the box with 2. And so on my new ones, after being charged, I've got 20.05 volts on it, which is freaking awesome. They fit right into a standard charger, no problem. They fit right into any standard Dewalt tool. You can see they pop on there like that, which is great. Here's the 4 amp. It's going to pop on there like that. And like I said, these things feel lighter, so the stress of using this all day long, it weighs less than this 6 amp one. We have the 6 amp one, we have a blower at home, a leaf blower, really eats the batteries. So, super excited to try this one at home. Like I said, it fits right on all the tools, and has the light indicators on it, the details on it, but they're lithium ion batteries, and I will say the price of these two together is less than one of these at a big box store. And the price of these two together is less than a steak dinner. So, I mean, in comparison, you can see all the different batteries. They're all interchangeable. I'm really quite excited to have these 15 ampers around so I can run all day long or run my leaf blower and really get everything I need to done around my yard. Okay, if you've been watching this video, I hope you like, share, subscribe, call your mom, she's missing you. If you've used any of these batteries, I'd love your feedback, your comments about how well they last for you, what you think. The difference in the fit and the finish to me is all the same. They look really good, they feel good. I'm excited to give them a long endurance test.